South Africa is mourning the death of a legendary actress Connie Chiume, so let us talk about that and more in this video. But before going to it, I need to first request you guys to like this, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. An Instagram account of Connie Chiume posted devastating news on Tuesday, the 6th of August 2024, and this was the announcement of Connie Chiume's sad passing. Now, the post doesn't mention the cause of her death, but they do tell us that Mom Connie died at the age of 72, and according to the post, she passed away at the Garden City Hospital. Or let me just read the full statement for you, ladies and gentlemen. So, the statement reads: the Chiume family regrets to inform you of the passing of the international acclaimed award-winning actress Connie Chiume. Connie Chiume was 72 years old, passed on at the Garden City Hospital today on the 6th of August 2024. The family asked for privacy during this difficult period, and the family will communicate further details. RIP messages started circulating immediately after this post, with different news outlets and different TV channels sharing their messages of condolences. I am certain that you'll all remember her for a Gomora role where she played the character of Sondo Molefe, but Sondo is not the only character that Mom Connie played. Zone 14 fans will remember her as Stella Moloi, and the Rhythm City fans will remember her as Momokete Kuse. She also appeared on Losing Lerato Part 1 and The Black King. And on the post that I just read, the family says that Connie Chiume is an international acclaimed actress. Well, that is very much true, because she appeared on a very big international movie called The Black Panther, and its part 2 called Wakanda Forever. And I'm certain that you all know that movie. So on all of those performances, she gained several awards and awards nominations, and on those awards we can include the Best Actress in Drama Series at the South African Film and Television Awards. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is all that I wanted to share with you on this video. So do comment in the comment section, let me know what do you think about the passing of Mom Connie Chiume, and please remember to like this video and share it on your social media like your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.